And Jey Uso having a bunch of fun at Dominic's expense. Dominic in the corner, does not want to be there.
It's a yeet fest in the Nutter Center.
Backing it up into the corner to Dominic. And Dominic, who now Jey gonna look for the Uso splash and put Dom away. Jey heading up to the top rope. And speaking of this, the manipulator Morgan's here. Liv Morgan pulling Dominic out of harm's way.
You gotta leave me alone. Get out of here. Leave. No. No.
Oh, and from behind. Oh, no, not again. I don't even want to do play-by-play on this.
We all know what's happening right now, Cole.
Well, Liv Morgan, if you can read lips, just said it all, folks.
I don't think you have to have much talent in that to see what she just said.
Because here comes Mommy, and she's pissed off. Dominic's got some explaining to do. Liv Morgan is actually running up and out of the Nutter Center.
2 weeks in a row, Rhea has left Liv sprinkled.
Rhea saying, get in the ring and finish the match. Spear! Right through the dark heart of Dirty Dom. And Jey Uso with an Uso splash. Dom's day went from bad to worse.
Here is your winner, main event, Jey Uso!
He made Dom look dumb, and we debuted the yeet foam finger.
Well, you know, any strides that Dominic may have made in trying to win back the favor of Rhea Ripley just went out the window.
He was straddled by Liv at one point just moments ago.
Looked like it was going to go a bit further than that before Mommy marched out here